Hey everyone, let's get started with our morning work today, okay? So if we open up our Summer Express book here to the page we bookmarked with our stickers, we can lay our stickers to the side. And today is day 5, so it's the last day of week number 2. So what's the last day of the week? Or I guess the school week. It's Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. So find a color that'll show up on your paper. I'm going to use this one. You use whatever you want. And this says initial consonants, B, P, M. So we're going to be focusing on these 3 letters. And we'll learn more about what consonants are later. You may have heard of a vowel. A consonant is anything that is not a vowel, okay? So, B. What sound does B make? B, B, B. Okay, so we're going to say these pictures, and if it starts with a B, then we're going to circle it, okay? So, B, bat, bat, B, B. Yeah, you can circle that. That begins with the B sound. Okay, what about dog? D, D, dog. No, the dog has the D sound, right? So we don't need to circle that. What about B, ball? B, ball. Yep, that makes the B sound. Good job, everyone. Okay, now how about P? What sound does P make? P, P, P. Okay? So let's say our pictures here. This is a box. A B, box. B, box. Does that make the P sound? No. This is a pig. Does a P, pig have the P sound? Yeah. So we'll give it a circle here. Now what about this pot? P, pot. Does that have the P sound? It sure does. Give that a circle. Okay. Now we have our last one, and it is M. And M says M, M. Can you say that? M, M. Good job. Okay, so this is a mop. A M, mop. So you hear that M sound at the beginning of it. Okay, now this is I don't know if you can see it, but this is the continent that we live on. That's a map. Does map have the M sound? Yes, it does. Okay, now this is a what? A bed. And the bed has what sound? B, B, B. So that's not an M sound. So we are all done with the top part. Now this says match each word to its picture, okay? So the word up here, we're gonna match down to the picture. And this says, if we break it down, what's B say? B, B. E says and L says L. B, L. B, L. Bell. Now, which one down here is the picture of a bell? Yeah, there's the bell. So we're going to match it by just drawing a line over to it, okay? So from our word bell, we're going to draw a letter to the picture bell. And all we're doing is just sounding those words out to figure out what they say. Okay, so this is pan. Let's look at the parts of pan. So the P says P, P. A says ah, ah. N says n. So P, an, P, an. All right. Now, is this a pan or is this a pan? Yeah, that's a pan. So let's draw a line. Okay, now our last one. We know these two are going to go together, but let's take a look at it, okay? So this has mug. Okay. M says M. U says G says G. Mug. So let's just draw a line down to the mug here. Okay, next page. Now this is a story, and it's called Jan's New Bike, okay? So you follow along with me as I read it, and if it helps, take your finger and bounce to each word as we say it, okay? So we're going to read it. I'll read it to you. It says, Jan has a new bike. Her new bike is blue. The bike is a birthday present. Jan likes to ride to the park with Sally. Both Jan and Sally wear helmets when they ride. Okay, so that was our little story. And down here the directions say, circle Jan's bike. What do Jan and Sally wear when they ride? Draw a square around these things in the picture. Okay? So Jan's bike, up here it said, Jan has a new bike. Her new bike is blue, right? Blue. So let's look for the blue bike. Is that blue? No, that's purple. Is that blue? Yeah. So this bike looks like Jan's new bike, so we'll give it a circle. Okay. Now it says, what do Jan and Sally wear when they ride? Draw a square around these things in the picture. Okay? So it says, both Jan and Sally wear helmets when they ride. What are the helmets in this picture? Yeah, the things on their heads that keep their heads protected, right? So let's draw 2 squares around the 2 helmets. And a square has the same size sides, not like a rectangle. So just do your best. Okay, good job everyone. So we are done with week 2. So you know what that means. Let's go back to our sticker chart. And we are going to get our last 2 stickers for this week. So I'm picking out a blue one. And let's see, I like that one. This color right here. I don't think I've used it yet. Woohoo! Good job, everybody. And I'm just going to put my sticker sheet in here, and then next week we will show you where to go for week number 3. Good job.